It's the middle of the week. So happy Wednesday sa inyo mga kalamon. I hope everybody had a great day. Ngayon pala daw ay may transport strike from September 17 until 19. So I hope everybody who was affected got to work safe, less hassle, and on time kung sakali. And sa akin naman, traffic situation was really light. Nararamdaman mo kasi yung mga changes pag madaming mga sasakyan sa daan. Pero pag sumaganto, madaming naglalakad pa punta sa kanilang mga office. Para sa kanila, I hope the walk was at least kahit papano less hassle. And okay, tayo naman ay dumiretso sa office. Work was work. Ngayon tayo ay tumuwid dito sa kahabaan ng Valero. Because I'm near, tayo pumunta sa Kare-Kare at Sisig sa Valero. Stall number 75 siya for those who are asking. Kumuha lang ako ng half and half. Yes, kalahating lechon, kalahating bangkongan. Napakadaming tao ngayon yung araw. Pero at least nagawa ng paraan ng food trip. Toy mansi sa Chonli. Tapos samahan natin ng rice, just round it out. Yes sir, that was good. Ngayon, kuha naman tayo ng half and half. So, lechon, binagongan, at kanin. Sir, panalo yun. Tapos, mayroong panlibre sabaw, papaitan. Sobrang solid. With a little bit of heat, panalo yun. So, I was just enjoying my meal lang habang, alam mo yun, pinapanood lang yung mga tao na pupunta, bumibili. Everybody just trying to get their food as fast as they can. Ganito na talaga ang buhay dito sa Makati. Lunch rush nga naman. Pero all good yan. Sabi daw na madam, try ko daw yung lengua. And nung binigyan ako ng konti, when I tried it, malambot, creamy, and not too salty. It was good. Order ko nga siya next week. So, that was a solid meal. Init dun sa loob. Pero alam mo yun, mainit, busy, madaming suki. I consider it a good problem. Okay, ngayon ako ay stuffed. So, pagkakain sa labas, discuss. But wait a minute, dahil nandito na rin lang naman ako sa labas, ako ay pumunta sa 139, 7-Eleven at tumanap ng whoop. Ako, ubos ang outside. Pero sige, brand with bear tayo. Pagkabayad ng gatas, pagkalabas, tumiretso sa taas. Pagdating ng pambansang uwian, was watching some PSP classics. Tayo ay tumuwid dito sa kabila. The usual walk dito sa Ayala Triangle. Dapit hapon dito sa Makati. And of course, cats be chilling. Yes sir. These cats are pretty much a mood chilling after work. Yes. Madaming tumatawid sa what I would call Sibuyas Crossing. And yung mga gantong bagay, the walk home, chatting with people, watching more cats. Yes, it's all part of the routine. So it kind of makes the trip or the walk home quite chill. So whether kung naglakad kayo pauwi, pa-LRT, pa-MRT, nag-dinner, nag-taxi, nag-hang out with friends, nag-grab, nag-commute, nag-move it, or nagantay sa kabaan ng pila ng jeep. I do hope everybody got home safe.